Welcome back to another travel vlog. Glenn here, and for this trip we are going to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So sobrang bilis lang guys. Let's recall, 12:30 PM ako nag-drop ng baggage, and wala pang 1 PM nakalagpas na ako sa security and immigration. And as usual, dalawa lang yung tinanong sa akin, purpose of my trip, which is holiday, and then kung kailan yung balik ko. So ayun lang. And almost 4 hours pa yung ipaghihintay ko before my boarding time. So ayun, samahan nyo ako, maghanap tayo ng pwedeng tambayan. And siguro mag-coffee or quick lunch muna ako. Ayun, I will see you guys later. So it's already 4:20 PM and 30 minutes na lang before boarding time. And naghintay na lang ako ng boarding announcement. So ayun, requirements to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Wala naman except yung travel form na kailangan i-fill out online, which I will put the link down below. Both for i-travel ng Philippines and ng Malaysia. Ilalagay ko siya sa description box for your convenience in case magta-travel din kayo to KL. Boarding na guys. We have already arrived here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and papunta na ako sa immigration area. And after that, baggage claim na tayo, and I will get my SIM card. So guys, ang bilis lang nung pila sa immigration. Surprise ako kasi na-expect ko medyo matagal siya. So ayun, sobrang bilis lang, parang less than 15 minutes lang ako doon. And very same na question sa akin sa Philippine immigration na until when yung stay ko and yung purpose of visit. So ayun lang. Nakapag-withdraw na rin ako ng cash and I used yung Euronet na ATM. I'm not sure if it's the best one, pero ito kasi yung available here. And ayoko na maghanap ng ibang ATM. And may narinig akong ibang Filipinos na nag-withdraw din dito. So doon na lang din ako nag-withdraw. So paglabas niyo sa baggage claim area guys, ayan may currency exchange. And ito yung ATM na pinag-withdrawhan ko. This one. Ayan. So guys, medyo nahihirapan ako hanapin yung store where I should claim my SIM card. Pero thankfully, kaka-explore, nakita ko din siya. So it's here, itong number 1 travelers in DG. And it's beside Jaya Grocer. And ayan, makikita nyo pa yung ibang landmarks. Airport Hotel, Daruma. And yeah, it's here. So let's go. Guys, na-curious ako agad sa flavors ng Krispy Kreme. So, napabili ako ng donut. Kasi hindi pa rin ako nagdi-dinner. Huli kong kain is yung sa Starbucks pa kanina. And it's 10:30 PM na. And ayun lang yung kinain ko kasi nagugutom na. So guys, ayun yung mga nabili ko, chips and water. Nakaano lang ako, 1380 ringgit. Ayan. And we will take yung CLIA Express or yung Airport Express train nila to go to KL Central. And from there, mag-taxi or grab na lang ako to my hotel. And nabook ko siya through Klook, and you can use my promo code which I will put down below so you can get discounts on your future activity or hotel bookings through Klook. So guys, ayan yung H&M, and then katapat niya lang yung train station. Ayan, here. We will take the CLIA Express. Ayan yung binook ko through Klook. So dito siya guys, i-scan ko lang yung QR code ko. And sana hindi siya mag-fail. Abot pa tayo. Ayan. 11:08. So guys, merong space for luggage should you choose to book this transfer. And medyo spacious naman yung train, and makakaupo kayo for sure. I am not sure if it's like this all the time, pero it's almost 11 and maluwag yung train. We have already arrived here at KL Central Terminal. Sorry, nawawala yung boses ko. So, dito ako magbubook ng Grab to my hotel. Ayan. So we made it here sa hotel ko guys. I'm staying here at Hotel Aman, Kuala Lumpur. And pakita ko sa inyo yung room very quickly. Medyo pagod na ako, so bilisan lang natin. So ayan guys, ang ganda ng room. Very aesthetic siya, kahit very budget friendly lang nitong nabook ko. I think it was around the 4,500 from Agoda for 3 nights na. O diba? Or 4,600, something like that. And ang laki ng TV, oh, bongga. Bet ko tong amenities nila, merong plancha guys. So makakapag-OOT din ako ng hindi lukot ang damit ko. Kahit hindi ako nasa 5-star hotel. And ayun, may hangers. And my small fridge. And ayun, may sleeper. And ito, may coffee amenities. May electric water kettle. And let's go to the bathroom. Ganda rin ng banyo guys. Ayan oh. Bet ko yung lighting. Ayan, ang social. Oh. Hindi mo sasabing budget hotel lang, diba? And may bidet at may hair dryer. Ayan, mahalaga sa buhay natin yan. And guys, nag-worry pa ako nung una. Yung nila, yung socket type nila rito, type G. And ganito yung sa atin, di ba, sa Philippines. So, ayun, gumagana naman pala siya. May pagkasyo nga ako sa mga ganyan. So, ayun. Gumana naman, guys. Huwag niyo ako i-judge. Charot.